Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, tropical jerk pork chops. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The mise en place for the pork marinade. And here's the pork getting ready to marry up with the marinade. And here it is all slathered and rubbed in. And it goes into the cold box for several hours. Here's the mise en place for the Copycat Rice Roni. Here I am sauteing some onions and carrot. I add the orzo and give it a toast. And then I add the rice and give it a toast. I add the peas and the herbs and spices. I add the liquids and get it all stirred in. Here it is right before the simmer. And it's going to simmer for about 20 minutes. And here it is after 20 minutes. The Copycat Rice Roni. The marinated pork on the first side. Flip to the second side. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.